sorry guys, I haven't hindi pa ako nag-vlog for almost like 1 year. Actually 1 year na. I mean, not 1 year because my last video is on March, I think. March 2025 and it's already June 2025, so mag-vlog ako. Hindi ako mag-stop kahit hindi ako mag-stop mag-vlog. So by the way, mag-vlog na ako. So ngayon, hanggang 1 year pa. Oh, wait lang guys. So actually 9 years old na ako. Kasi no March 2025, 8 years old ako. Kaya 9 years old. Let's go. Let's still have some fun thing. So let's go. Nag-art class nga pala ako. Ngayon yung vacation namin for the art class. So Sunday lang yung vacation. So okay lang. So let's go get the balloons. Let's go. Guys, ito siya. Uy! Ito siya guys. Guys, ito. Tamang-tama nag-celebrate tayo. Pumunta sa birthday